Hello, my name is ZayanWaseem, watching animations, and today I'm gonna be telling you that how to do glow effect in Adobe Illustrator. So let's go. So first of all, you have to open your Adobe Illustrator. I have already opened and made a document, and now in this I'm gonna be showing you that how to do a glow effect. Okay, so first of all, you have to make two new layers. Then you have to make another layer, drag it to the bottom, and here you have to add the color which you want, like your background color. Let's select it to yellow. Okay, no stroke. Now let's make a background here. So after making a background, now you have to go to your most upper layer. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you that how to do a glow effect in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, let's draw something. Like I want white color. Choose your white color. Now I'm going to be showing you that how to do glow effect in it. So you have to go to the second highest layer you have here, and then here you have to choose your brush. Go to effect and blur, Gaussian blur, and from here you have to select the radius 18.681. Like now you have to wait a minute. You have to change the color. Like I want a glow of color blue. Then you have to just outline at this layer, at this stroke, and boom, here's a glow effect. And you can just increase the size of it, and then you can outline it for a better result. Let's do it again. So here we have our glow. So that is only for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, so you have to like this video, subscribe my channel. So see you soon. Bye bye.